Hi there, beautiful people. In my last attempt to fly the Flywoo Explorer with a full GoPro, I was not that successful. Quad was quite sensitive to the wind that made it quite wobbly. I had a user error and crashed during a loop. And at the end the quad fell from the sky unspeakably. The total weight of the setup with case, full GoPro and 850 mAh battery is 255 grams. Obviously that is too heavy for a 170 grams drone. Until recently I've been flying with a SML 4K camera and the same battery that led to a total weight of this setup of 142 grams. Unfortunately I've crashed this camera, so it's no longer working. Now, in order to save some weight, let's try a smaller battery, a 450 mAh battery, and remove the GoPro battery and the door. In this setup the total weight is 190 grams, that is somehow closer to the 142 grams with the SML 4K setup. Now let's put this setup to the test. Including a connector from the battery balance cable to the GoPro. And here we have liftoff with the 450 mAh battery and the GoPro 7 without its battery. Going for some low flying, nothing fancy here. Oh, hello birdie. Trying some speed here, not too much. In my previous test I might have been pushing the flywheel a bit too much for its capabilities with loops and rolls and the full GoPro. This time my test is more about trying some smooth flying, low cruising. Pose for the camera and smile. Heading back home now, trying to land on the box. The total flight time with this 450 mAh battery was 4 minutes. Second attempt here with the 650 mAh battery and the same GoPro 7 without its battery. Trying some slow and smooth flying here. Then going for some close by flight, some low flying again, close to the ground. Oh, and here it is, that bird again. If anyone knows what this type of bird is, please leave a comment below. In my conclusion, if you want to fly a 4-inch quad like the Flywoo Explorer with a GoPro but you don't want to strip it down, this setup with a small battery like 450 or 650 milliamps and without the GoPro battery but with a balance cable, this setup could work just fine. As long as you go for smooth flying, cruising around and no crazy freestyle. The total flight time with the 650 mAh battery was about 6 minutes. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you didn't before. Till next time.